Hello, my name's Jarl. I look after Workspace clients at Havwoods, such as developers, landlords, contractors, architects and designers. We take them through the wood flooring journey and assisting them in selecting the correct floor for their workspace environment. I love working at Havwoods because there's always a buzz, nothing ever stops. We're always looking at new products, new ranges. We're very innovative and we love working with designers and helping them in their inspiration for designing workspaces. What our customers are looking for is a sustainable and durable floor that will sustain the high footfall traffic in commercial areas. Havwoods offers a wide range of timber flooring with different textures, patterns, widths and colours, even including a magnetic back timber flooring for use over raised access floors. We have over 40 years experience in supplying timber flooring and cladding products for commercial areas, so this is why we can give you the expertise required when selecting a timber floor for your space.